Let's verify the deployment first. I've got 6 nodes in the deployment: PPAN, SPAN, primary MNT, secondary MNT, PSN1, PSN2, and it's a 3.5. Let's just patch this entire deployment from the upgrade and rollback page using the GUI patch split patch method. Select the appropriate options, and as part of your iteration 1, you're supposed to select the nodes. Keep in mind, the primary admin node will be selected by default in the iteration 1 of a patch upgrade process. And you can select multiple PSNs as part of your iteration 1, but you cannot select a secondary admin and both MNT nodes in the iteration 1. So you can have a maximum of 16 nodes as part of your iteration, if at all it is a bigger deployment, and you are supposed to complete all the patching within the 24 hours time. I'm going to be selecting the secondary monitoring node and the second PSN as part of the upgrade, the patching process. Click next. I'm going to be uploading it from my computer itself, the patch bundle. Select the patch bundle and let the patch bundle be uploaded to the ISE from the UI itself, and wait for the start preparation to be enabled. Now the patch bundle was uploaded and validated successfully. Let's click start preparation, which validates the pre-checks on the deployment or on the selected nodes as part of your iteration 1. The patch bundle that you have uploaded onto the PPAN gets downloaded to the rest of the nodes, and all the pre-checks are going to be validated. Once all the pre-checks have been validated successfully, click next and start patching the selected nodes. Till this point of time, all the nodes that you have selected as part of iteration 1 are functional. The moment you click on start, that's when basically the PPAN gets patched first. Because the PPAN gets patched first, you will be logged out and you are supposed to monitor the progress from the SPAN. So this is my SPAN page where the PPAN is getting upgraded or patched. Once the patch is successfully installed on the PPAN, you can log in back to the PPAN again to monitor the progress. So now the rest of the nodes were also patched successfully. Let's click next to select the iteration 2 nodes. As part of your iteration 2, you can select the remaining nodes, or based on the batches or based on the number of PSNs that you have, you can select as many as nodes as possible in order to not to have the downtime. And let's upload the patch bundle from the computer itself. Wait for the patch to be uploaded and validated successfully and start preparing the checks. Once all the pre-checks have been validated successfully, you can start patching the remaining nodes. And you can monitor the progress of these nodes from the PPAN itself because it was already patched successfully. Once the patching is done successfully on all the nodes, selected nodes as part of your iteration 2, click next and finish the configuration. And let's verify this deployment by going into the deployment. All the nodes were in sync. Let's go to the maintenance page, patch management, select the patch version and show nodes. It will show you all the installed patch. That's how you're going to be basically patching using this GUI split patching method. Thanks for watching.